This is problem number 7 from SAT practice packet number 6. If 8 to the 2/3 over x squared equals 20 times x to the negative 3, what is the value of x? And here are our answer choices. The way I'm going to show you how to solve this problem is using our calculator and also using the strategy of plugging in answers. Now you could solve it algebraically, but that will take longer. And in in an SAT section, you have about 25 to 30 minutes to complete the entire session. So you want to minimize the time you spend. So here I'm going to show you how to use the calculator and using the plugging strategy in order to work through it faster. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite my question. 8 to the 2/3 over x squared equals 20 x to the negative 3. Okay, 8 to the 2/3, we learned that we could turn it into something to a power and a root, but I'm just going to plug it into my calculator. 8 to the, now 2/3 is nothing but a division problem, right? So we're just going to say 2 divided by 3. Remember to put it in parentheses in order for this to be, in order for the calculator to give us the right answer. And we get our answer to be 4. So here we simplified 8 and 2/3 into 4. So we have 4x squared. And this side is looking way better already. We don't have any exponents, let alone fractional exponents. Now let's take a look at this side. Our 20 is nice, but this x to the negative 3 is not nice. So if you remember, when we have a negative exponent, we want to take the reciprocal in order to make it a positive exponent. So here we're going to say 20 times 1 over x to the 3rd. Okay, to simplify a little bit, I'm just going to multiply these two fractions together. 20 times 1 gives me 20 over 1 times x to the 3rd, which gives me x to the 3rd. This side, we haven't done anything else. Okay, so now I don't like that my x's are in the denominator. I'm going to do a little bit of cross multiplication just to make sure that I don't have them in the denominator. So I'm going to do 20 times x squared, which gives me 20x squared. And then I have 4 times x to the 3rd, which gives me 4 times x to the 3rd. Now from here you could go on and solve it algebraically, but I'm just going to stop here and start plugging in our answer choices. So if I take a look at these, in my opinion, 5 is the easiest to plug in. Now once we plug in 5, if it works, great, we're done. If it doesn't work, it can tell us if we need to try a slight bigger number or a really much bigger number. So let's try 5 first. So we have here 20 times 5 squared equals 4 times 5 to the 3rd. Here we get 20 times 25 because 5 squared gives us 25. Here we have 4 times 5 to the 3rd. With the help of our calculator, we figure that that's 125. And now we want to see, are both sides equal? That's the whole point of this. So 20 times 25, using our calculator again, we get 500. Now, if this side is also equal to 500, then we'll be done and 5 will be our answer. So 4 times 125 is also 500. So 500 equals 500? Yes. Therefore, 5 is our answer, which is A.